Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. So let's get started. First, open your Phantom Wallet mobile app and log in. On the home page, you'll see all the coins you currently have. Before buying meme coins, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet to cover the transaction fees. If you don't have enough, tap on Sol and select Receive. Here, you'll find your wallet's QR code and deposit address. Copy this address and transfer Solana from another wallet or exchange. Alternatively, tap the Buy button to purchase Solana directly using MoonPay or Coinbase Pay. Just follow the steps and complete your payment. Once your Solana is loaded into your wallet, you're ready to buy meme coins. Tap on the Swap option. At the top, make sure Solana is selected. Then, under Select Token, search for the meme coin you want, like Bonk. Enter the amount of Solana you'd like to exchange, and the app will show you how much of the meme coin you'll get. Once satisfied, tap the Review button and confirm your swap. That's how you buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.